Welcome back to King Brock channel. We're playing Watch Grass Grow. So let me just sell my grass. Then what? Sell plants? Where do I sell plants, guys? Where do I sell plants? Oh, here? No, AFK area, free money. Okay, free money right here. So AFK for more money, and we are actually making money. So yo, I'm actually making money, yo. So already making money. So what I need is upgrades. So gem upgrades, corn upgrades. I'm gonna upgrade this. Let me just, you know, give it to me. So where do we go, guys? We're just gonna AFK here or no? Oh, so I'm just gonna spin. So let me just do this. Right. Is this my base, guys? Oh, this is not my base. This is my base right here. Oh, okay. I'm sorry if I go to the wrong base, guys. I'm sorry. Uh, so, guys, I'm just gonna do this. So, what we need is plant. So, I'm just gonna spin right here. So as you can see, you need to step on the grass so it grows. So we gotta step on the grass, I guess. So I'm just gonna spin on this house right here. Wait, I knew something. Oh, flowers! My first flower! Yay! Yay! My first flower. So I have my first flower, and I have my first. Oh, you can just do this. So I'm just gonna do this. Oh yeah, so guys, if I'm done at this whole thing, I'm gonna do it all. So this might be a long time, bruh. Give it to me. Give it some time. Oh no. Wait guys, I'm just gonna do something. Ayan. Yo guys, I'm back. Kinda thirsty. Gonna drink water later. So guys, what have you been doing? I'm joking. So my grass has been very big because look. Then guys, let's watch grass grow. So guys, we're gonna AFK now for until 1 minute. So let's go. Yo guys, I'm back. What y'all doing? I'm just gonna get water, guys. Sa baba ako mag-film? Sa baba ako mag-film? Sa baba ako mag-film? Yeah. So, guys, I'm just gonna go downstairs. So, what we are doing right now is AFKing. So, guys, I'm just on my mom's PC now. So, guys, like I said, guys, my goal is to get to one. Oh, so this game is kinda useless. So I'm just gonna switch games, guys. Let's go switch games. Give it to me. Give it some time. Oh. So guys, we're playing this game now, which is the same thing but much older, much worse game. So with 40k visits, thank you all. Thank you, cardboard. So guys, we are a noob. So why am I lagging? So look at this. So guys, I'm just gonna drink and still grass growing. Okay, there's grass growing. As you can see, guys, can you see that black thing? That is grass, guys. So guys, see y'all in a minute and let's see the reaction. So see y'all in a minute, guys. Bye. Yo guys, I'm back. I just drink water. I didn't actually wait for a minute. So guys, as you can see a little bit green now. So guys, I'm just gonna go upstairs now, guys, because it's very hot downstairs. So guys, we're gonna go upstairs now and let's see the reaction. So let's go, guys. I'm just gonna go upstairs. I just drink water. So I'm back upstairs now. It's very annoying there. It was actually annoying there. So guys, yo, now there is literal grass now. Let's go. There's grass now, guys. So let's just adjust this. Put you right here and you right here. Then look, guys, look. So we're just gonna watch grass go now, guys. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna stop this video when the grass is up to the fence. I mean, much higher than the fence. So I'm not AFK. So what we are doing is no AFK challenge. Dude, my back hurts. Wait, guys, I'm just gonna get something. Yo, guys, I'm back. What y'all doing? Just gonna fix this. Yeah. And I'm back. Yo, guys, what have you been doing? Dude, look at the grass, the hole. As you can see, that is a literal pyramid. So many pyramids, more than 1,000. So, guys, like I said, my goal is to get to the. My grass needs to grow taller than the fence. Not higher than the tree, right here on my back. Like right here. Not taller than that tree because that will be very hard. I might do that goal next time. So guys, stay tuned. I'm still screen recording though. So, bruh. So what we are doing? So guys, I'm just gonna put my screen like that. Then we're gonna escape for. Oh, 1 second. Yo guys, I'm back. I'm joking. My back hurts, guys. My back hurts. So let me just go here a little bit. So guys, I am done. So let me just take you up there. Then let me just put my mic right here. So guys, this will be a very long video definitely because it took 9 minutes to grow with that like like that. So it will be very hard to get to. So guys, please like and subscribe for my content. Bro. So like I said, I need to get taller than the fence. My grass taller than the fence, not the tree. So guys, like I said, this will be a very long video. This might be a 1 hour video, guys. I just farted. Ew. Yucky. And it smells bad. Why bad? It just smells bad. So what I need is a freaking table. So guys, what have you been doing right now? So guys, let me just get this. I'm just gonna draw while I'm waiting. So guys, I'm gonna wait until I'm done drawing. Yo guys, I'm drawing right now because I can't do nothing because I only wait. So I'm making a mirror. I need the mirror to be shining before the grass is taller than the fence. So guys, that's my new goal now. I need the glass I need the um mirror drawing to be shining. So that's my goal. So let's go. I don't have light now because the lights are turned off. So it's very hot if I turn off the light. I mean turn on the light. So I'm still drawing right now, guys. Now it's a little bit shining, but like I said, I'm gonna stop when it's higher than the fence. I think I'm gonna stop when it's higher on the fence, but my back hurts really bad, so I'm just gonna switch spots. Then let's go. Oh, like- so now I switched my place to here. So now, guys, I'm just gonna keep drawing while y'all are waiting. So, guys, I'm just gonna draw now. Give it to me. Give it some time. Oh no. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. So, guys, I'm still not done yet. With the drawing, I'm still drawing. Dude, it's kinda shining, guys, but y'all can't see it because I'm screen recording. I hope y'all can't hear it. Hope y'all can hear it. Holy, I almost fell. So, what I need to do is just make this shine. And, bruh, look at that, bro. It's much longer now. This looks like an Eiffel Tower now, guys, but it's still not bigger than my foot. As I said, guys. I mean, so, as you know, do you know, guys, that grass is bigger than your foot? But my grass right now is not bigger than my foot. It's just bigger than my toenails. So, guys, I'm still drawing. And I'm still doing this video right now, guys. So, now let me just... Now it's kinda shining, guys. It's kinda shining. It's kinda shining. I made this mirror last day. You want me to restart, guys? I'm gonna restart. I'm gonna restart. I'm gonna restart, guys. See you later. If I'm gonna say if I'm done erasing this thing. See ya. Yo, guys, I'm back. I'm done erasing this thing. So I'm gonna restart. So 3, 2, 1. It starts now. So let's go. I'm drawing right now. I hope you guys can hear that I'm drawing because I'm drawing right now. I'm gonna picture a short later. I need 30 minutes before this shines. So guys, please guys keep watching this video. So now let me just draw a line right here. Yo, bro, this is kind of shining now. Bro, kind of shining now, guys. So I'm just gonna but I'm still not done yet. Oh, it's actually not shining. Oh, now it's a little bit shining now, guys. So I'm just gonna do that. And let me just do that side, this side, and it's kind of shining now, guys. So the grass is still not big. As you can know, guys, I'm using a pencil right now. Guys, wait, I'm just gonna get a pen. I'm just gonna get a pen, a ball pen. So see you later I'm gonna say if I get the ball pen now. So see you later. Yo guys, I'm back. And just gonna outline this part with the pen. I'm not using the pen for the mirror. I'm just using the pen for the mirror sides. So if I use an eraser to erase the sides, it won't be erased. So that's good. So I don't have any problems now. So I won't draw it again. So guys, wait guys, I'm gonna say if it's done. But it's almost done, so I'm not gonna AFK now. So, and I'm done with the sides. Let me just put the ball pen right here. And let's go just draw. Oh wait, I forgot some lines. So let me just do this. I'm almost done, guys. Just wait. Let me just go right here. Sides, sides. I'm sorry if you hear some voices downstairs. That's my brother because he's playing PlayStation right now. Good thing he's not crash outing, bruh. He's happy right now, bruh. Because he won the Days Gone game. So, I'm done with the sides. And now, time to use the pen. The pencil. So now, me just... bro, my hand hurts, bro. My hand hurts. My hand literally hurts, guys. My hand actually hurts. So, I'm just gonna color the sides. I mean, draw the sides. So, there. Almost done. It's kind of shining now. Good thing I'm not left-handed, so the pencil ink is not going on my hand. I'm right-handed, guys, which is some good luck. Right-handed is good luck. If you're right-handed, guys, you're good luck. Bro, my hand actually hurts, guys. Oh, bro, this guy is for like 20 minutes. In 21 minutes, your hand will actually hurt. So, guys, it's kind of shining now, so let me just color the sides again because we still have a little bit whites. As I said, I erased this earlier, but now it's like ball pen right now, guys, because the literal pencil ink is going to the other side of the paper. I'm not using any magic pencil, guys. I'm only using a normal pencil. But my pencil is very long, that's why. And I forgot my freaking sharpener downstairs. Which is, I don't need that because this is literal paper, not sandpaper. I'm drawing on, no, I'm drawing on, what's this called again? Paper. Yeah, paper. Which is wood. Thin wood. So, let me just color. I mean, yeah, just the same thing. Just gonna erase the decorations, guys, because I don't like it. Why did I even draw a sink here, bro? So let me just erase that part and let me just take off the dirty. So there, and let me just continue to color. I'm not using black. The oh, I forgot. My ball pen that I'm using earlier for the sides is not black. It's literally purple because you can't see it, guys, but I can see it. It's purple, dark purple. So let me just color this side. Oh, my hands actually hurts. So guys, let's see how oh, what the heck? Who are you? Who the hell are you, bruh? What the hell? Wait, guys. Who the hell are you? Why are you in my base, sir? Why are you on my base? The grass actually grows. What's this? Guys, please. Guys, please stop disliking the game. Okay. I don't even... If I like the game, bro, I don't care. So, I'm still lagging, guys. That's why I'm not moving. So, guys, let me just... Oh, what the... Whoa! That's cool, dude. Why in real life that's not happening? So, guys... And see you in 30... So, guys, I'm gonna AFK and keep drawing here. Keep doing my drawing job here. I just let it dry for like 1 minute because I need to let it dry or else the pen ink will get all over my freaking pencil. So But guys, I'm just gonna get my ball pen on this side right here, and time to use my secret weapon. So just coloring here the sides. I'm done with the ball pen, so I'm just gonna put it back here. I just put it on the table of the side of me. So, bro, my elbow is kinda itchy. That's why I don't like drawing, guys. But if I draw, my elbow gets itchy. So let me just do that. Now it's much colder. So, bro, this will be a very long video because look, dude, it's literally almost 30 minutes and this is still not bigger than my foot. Oh, now the grass is bigger than 5 foot, which is, this thing is normal grass now. But I know this will grow bigger than the freaking fence. So, this will be actually a very long video. So, gonna color this much faster so my hand much hurts more. Oh, I forgot. This is day 1 of doing this to day 100. So let me just. This is day 1. I did this thing last week ago, but this is the new mirror because I erased it earlier. Like I said, I erased it earlier. That's why it's a new mirror. That's why I reset to day 1. What does this look like when I'm at day 30, guys? How? What does this look like when I get to day 30? So I'm just gonna color this. Guys, I'm still not done yet with the sides. So please guys like and subscribe because my hand actually hurts. So let's just do here. Good thing my phone is not shutting down. I mean, yeah, because I'm on a game, FKing. So guys, let me just. So now. So guys, that's all guys. Peace.